Okay, boy, have we ever seen this before. And, okay, well, let's see here. This thing here is all, oh, there it is. This thing is all done. Well, not all done, but close enough. So it's time to begin to put stuff back in the box. Back in the box. So this is the before picture, and then the after picture, you won't see all this stuff hanging down, would you? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these are the wires that go to the cowl motor, and this is where the switch is going to go, and there's the switch, and you see these two wires that go to the splice that goes to the cowl motor. They're spliced in there, they're soldered and all that. And then both of these suckers came from a coil of wire. Just sitting here on my knee. Yep. Yep. It's a big coil of wire with a connector. Now I just wanted to steal wire out of this thing because it's color coded and it's got words on it like STOP, SW for stop, switch, and so on and so forth. And color coded. So I didn't dereel them because there's a lot of wires there. But I did just now dereel the one that I had stuck on the green wire for the cowl motor. It's called, let's see, pass TR stop. That's what it says. Well, come to find out, boy, that sucker is like 20 some feet long. So for the last 10 minutes I've been de-reeling it out of this thing. And now I got to do the white wire. But I'm so tired from de-reeling the green one, and I'm going to quit. Come back later. There must be a moral to the story somewhere. Okay, I got the cowl vent in after struggling. And now the windshield wiper. It's got 4 wires going up to this glove here, one of which is 12 volts, and might be a ground. You think this might be, yeah, that's a ground. So this has all got to come up in there and over the top of the panel and down, just like this. Same cable, so 4 or 5, 6 wires maybe, and up into here, right there. Yeah. Okay, another day, another wire. Gotta look up there for where to put that windshield wiper switch and all the wires associated. Got it to run yesterday again, and now I got to hook it up in that box today. Yep. It's very important for me this thing here and a bunch of switches which will end up, where am I at? There you are. There's a bunch of switches that will go into this panel. Let's see. Cut the back out of. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. Bunch of wires, bunch of tabs telling you where the wires go and come from and all that. They'll go up here and they go around up in the dashboard. Looks pretty scary, doesn't it? Well, anyway, they'll go up in there and they'll run things like this thing here, which is the inside of the door that goes on the heater. And then those two wires there go to the water shutoff business, and that'll be mounted on the heater itself. And then this last hole here will be, and on the side here, will be the speed control for the air conditioning. That's what's going on. And the wiring, which now appears here, this being the heater, it's the water shutoff stuff and the power for that here. And there's my cable, and I'm still not, I don't have the routing hold down business stuff in yet, but that'll be in there. And that's the shifter. It's my foot. And, so that's how it's going. Okay, I had to file a lot of stuff to get that stupid thing on there. You can't see it. And I'm not going to take it apart to show you. It's in there with one screw. Oh, I gotta drill holes and make another screw. I'm tired. I'm quitting. Epic fail on closing the holes. So gonna have to use some scrap. Make another part. Cut off this and save this. Okay, well, there it is in place. A couple of sheet metal screws, and it's bolted in. And the heater door is back in too, and it's shut. So maybe I'll make that work. Yeah. Hi. Okay, this is a kind of an interruption in the flow of moviness, but what you've been looking at is a series of movies I've made over whatever, a month or something. And does that look better? Okay. Nearsighted, so anyway, I've been working on the switch box, and I don't remember what I said in the other part of the movie, so that's the way it goes. What I'm working on today is this thing here, which is the speed control for the blower motor. And so it's a Chinese thing, and it was very, very cheap, but it had a major problem in that I couldn't figure out how to mount this thing because it's made of aluminum and you can't weld it very easily with the stuff I've got. So, but I persevered. I finally figured out how to mount it using a hole in the aluminum structure. I'm going to mount it to the switch base, which is down here. Unfortunately, I don't have a cameraman. Well, that's the way it goes. Anyway, this is the unit, and I'm going to mount it in let's see. Well, let's see if I can see it. Yeah, this thing. And okay. Well, furthermore, descriptive of this situation, hi there. Man, this camera's so cool. Okay, yeah, I'm scrunched in here because that piece of ductwork right there is bringing the heat in here. And I just got here and it's winter. Now, since it's winter, you know, it's cold out. And it gets cold in the garage, so I got this piece of heating duct that warms it down. So I'd say it's probably getting right up to around 50 in here, right here. But it's probably up there. Today, it's really warm. What is it? It's December 4. December 4, and it's 47 outside. 47 Fahrenheit. Whoa. Can you believe it? Okay, well, that's it for this portion. And now, back to our next video. Eh? These are bolted holes it in. And there's the knobby. Yeah. On off switch. Oops. And it's the speed switch. With the Chinese knob on it. Well, yeah. Okay. So that's it's in there, and actually have room enough to get to all four input output. Let's see if I can. I don't even know how to. Here. Right. This is harder than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. Sorry. But as you can see, you can get to all. Boy. Yeah. You can get to all the screws that hold down these little test wires. So when the real wires get there, I'll be able to get to this assembly without taking it out of the stinking box. There it is. Okay, good, right? Good. Bye.